Easy Garage Door Repair is a professional company providing top-notch garage door repair services in Houston, Texas. We are known for our dependable and cheap garage door solutions. Our trained technicians use cutting-edge tools and technology to repair, install, and maintain. We provide same-day repair to get your garage door working again. Contact our garage door repair today to schedule a consultation. Are you looking for a garage door repair near me? You can stop looking. You found Easy Garage Door Repair. How much does it cost to fix a garage door spring in Houston? Houston garage door spring repair costs vary. Prices average $200 $500. Repair costs depend mostly on spring type. How much does it cost to fix a garage door that won't close? Garage door repairs are $150 to $375. Most garage door repairs aren't costly, which is excellent since they shouldn't be DIY projects. What is your garage door repair area for the Houston, Texas office? Our local garage door repair have assisted clients in the surrounding areas of Houston, Sugar Land, Jersey Village, Fresno, Alvin, Pearland, South Houston, Pasadena, Humble, Sheldon, Missouri City, Louetta, Mount Houston, Jacinto City, Katy, Spring, Crosby, Sienna, Cypress, Texas. Where is your garage door repair Houston, Texas business located? We are located at 12122 Fairmeadow Drive, Houston, Texas 77071. Our phone number is 832-304-8920. Visit our website, www.easygaragedoorrepair.com/.